Ghibli-style stories are everywhere right now. So how do people make these videos? In this video, I'll show you how you can create Ghibli story videos using just one single AI tool. First, log into Magic Light. Click on the one-click video. From the styles, select Ghibli. Paste in your video script. Click Directing Mode and choose Emotion. Set your video ratio. Then click Create Video. In the next step, the characters in your story are generated. They are ready to check. If you don't like them, you can choose from Character Library or regenerate them. Once your characters are ready, click Next to start creating your video. After a few minutes, your video is ready. Let's watch it.
Morning, sleepyhead.
Morning.
Ready to hit the road?
Almost. Let's see the day first.
Here we go.
Feels like a good one.
So nice.
Perfect.
If there are any scenes you want to change, click Edit. Update the prompt and regenerate the scene. Once all your edits are done, click Next. In the final step, you can change your video's thumbnail by choosing from the available preset styles again. You can download your video or click Publish to share it with the Magic Light community. If you want to make Ghibli story
Morning,
videos
sleepyhead.
without creating everything one by one,
Morning.
you can
Ready to hit
check
the
out
road?
Magic Light from the link in the description.
Let's see the day first.
Here we go.
I've also shared the story script I used for this video. You can
Feels
find
like a
that
good
in the
one.
description as well.
So nice.